Yo, what's up? My name is Ibos, and this is EsetunezTv. It's been 6 months or thereabout now. So today we'll be going on the street like we've always been doing to ask questions. Today's question will be on Nigeria and particular thing similar to that. So the first question will be, if a man talks, if a cat meow, if a dog barks, what does a rat do? Yeah, it's a crazy question, I know that. And the second one will be, who's the man 100 naira note? So that's all. Catch me live, Ibos, kid it, chop it, kid it. If a man talks, a dog barks, a cat meow, what does a rat do?
A rat scream.
Sorry?
Scream.
Can you say that again, please?
Scream.
All this money we must spend for you. What did we begin now?
Screw. Sometimes scream.
Can you fuck away? Can you fuck off?
If a dog barks, if a man talks, what does a rat do?
Nothing.
Go and sit down.
If a man talks or a man speaks, what does a rat do?
A rat? Actually, a rat should also emulate the character of a cat.
Oh my God.